Tent Review. Eagle Peak 10x10 Slant Leg Pop-Up Canopy Tent Instant Outdoor Canopy Easy Setup Folding Shelter with 64 square feet of shade. Easy Setup. Easy Peak Center Push Technology design enables one person to easily open and close the canopy from the center without the hassle of locking and unlocking the canopy leg sliders. One pinch free push and you're ready to go. Easily adjustable. 3-pin adjustable lower legs allow you to adjust your canopy tent angle & height to maximize shade throughout the day. 64 square feet of shade, large enough for 5 people. Slant leg design is 10x10 at base and 8x8 at the top. Superior quality. Up 50 plus of protected, water resistant, CPAI 84 certified, flame resistant 150D Oxford fabric canopy top. Frame is powder coated, rust resistant, high grade engineered steel with M5 hardened through bolt reinforced assembly and nylon plastic connection hardware. Compact and portable. Take this lightweight canopy anywhere with the 600x300D wheeled carrying bag. Fits into most car trunks. Perfect for tailgates, the beach, the park, or wherever your fun begins. Eagle Peak Promise. Eagle Peak offers a 1-year limited after-sale protection from the original date of purchase. Unlike many other canopy manufacturers, Eagle Peak offers this for our frames, canopies and bags. If you have any other questions, please contact our professional service team. If interested, click the link in the description to buy the tent. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.